Hey, it's Todd. I'm here to talk to you today about the iPhone. That's right, the big iPhone. Ooh. You've heard all the hype about it. You've heard all of the news, all the questions. You're wondering, is it really that good? Well, I can tell you safely that yes, it is in fact that good. This is the last phone you will ever need. The interface you see here is based on what they call apps. These are little widgets that allow you to do various things. And as they say, there's an app for everything. If you're into Facebook, there's an app for that, where you press the little button. You can make Facebook updates right here with pictures, whatever you want. There are apps for everything in the world, from taking pictures, keeping track of the weather, creating music, logging into Google, music apps where you can have virtual instruments, drums, pianos, synthesizers of various types. Just about anything in the world is possible with this phone. There's almost no limit to what you can do with it. It has what they call an open platform, meaning people can write programs for it. So there are 5,000, 6,000 apps in the App Store. A lot of the apps are free. So pretty much anything you want to do, track your finances, track your calories, anything in the world, there's an app for that. It really is that good. The phone is also, which is handy, an iPod. So it's the new generation iPod Touch, which is very cool. Once you have an iPod, it's very difficult to go back to doing anything else. The iPod itself will not only do music, regular stuff like that, it'll also do full motion video. So if there's a video you want to watch, if there's a movie you want to watch, no problem, you can watch that on your iPhone. So it's an iPhone, it's an iPod, it does everything in the world. And it, of course, is a phone, a really handy phone. You can import all of your contacts from something else. For example, I had all mine on Gmail, so I imported my entire contact list automatically into here. So they're all there. It was pretty darn handy. I've been completely blown away by this phone. It always gets really good reception. The keyboard will turn. Like when you're typing, you don't have to type like this. You can do this, and the entire display reorients itself sideways, which is really handy. You can browse the web. It's got a real web browser built into it, not some crippled quasi browser, but an actual real web browser, which is just handy as anything. The whole phone, it's just wonderful. I mean, if you are trying to get on the web wherever you happen to be, you can do it right from your phone. You can send email. If you use an Exchange server, Microsoft Exchange server at work, you can have it get that. It gets my work email, it gets my personal email, all goes into one spot. It's great. There's a Skype client. If you use Skype, you can Skype right from here. It's just great. The range of apps just goes on and on and on, from games, connectivity, productivity, everything in the world you could possibly imagine. There's an app for that, literally. So I've got to say, 5 out of 5 stars. I'd give it 10 stars, really. It's a wonderful, amazing, game-changing product.